In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the Counter-Strike Global Offensive crashes and how to stop them. So make sure you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix them. And let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is open up Steam. Once you open it up, what you want to do is right click on Counter-Strike Global Offensive and go to the properties. Now click on the local files tab and click on browse local files. What you want to do now is simply click on CSGO where it says application, right click on it and click on delete. Once you delete it, you can now close the folder and click on verify integrity of game files. This should check if any files are missing and it will re-download them and reinstall them. It should take just a couple of minutes. Once the verifying ends, what you want to do is go back to browse local files. So just click on it. Now right click on CSGO application once again and click on properties. Go to the compatibility tab and make sure that everything in here is unchecked. So if it's checked, what you want to do is just uncheck it and click on apply and click on OK. After that, close the folder and go to the general tab in the Counter-Strike Global Offensive properties. Click on set launch options and paste the command from the description. So it's cl disable html motd1. Once you paste it, click on OK and click on close. You can now start Counter-Strike Global Offensive and the crashes will be fixed. Thanks for watching, please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped. Bye.